Hello guys, I am Mahesh. So this is a new series where I will be making videos on unproctored exam of programming and data structures and algorithm using Python of the NPTEL course. Not just that, I will be explaining each and every question. So in total I will be making 8 videos where I will cover all 8 questions and I will explain each and every question with its solution and explanation as well. So let's jump into the first question. So here he says that here is a function to return the maximum value in a list of integer. So it says that, so just a minute. Here is, sorry. Here is a function to return maximum value in a list of integer. So this function is made in such a way that it returns the maximum value in a list. Suppose let's take few elements in the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there is an error in this function. Okay, it says there is an error in this function. Provide an input list for which max bad in the sense this function produces an incorrect output. Okay, so we don't need to find that error here. The problem is we need to provide a list which in turn returns false output, in the sense falsy output, not the expected output, rather it should return the false output. Okay, now let's try to trace this function. Suppose let's just take this list as this list only. Here my max resembles any integer variable which initially holds 0, which means the current maximum element of the list is 0 irrespective of the list. It makes that my max is 0. It means even if the list is empty, it means that the current maximum element of the list is 0. Okay, I think here is some twist. Just let's walk around through this. Okay, let's see. For I in range of length of L, so length of L returns 5. So as we know, range function starts from 0 and goes till n minus 1. Here n means 5, so it will be walking around 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If L of I in the sense every element in the list, every element, so it will be jumping all, it will be iterating through all the elements in the sense. If the current element in the list, suppose if 1 is greater than my max, what does this resembles? The current element in the list is the maximum element as of now, so we can update my max to the current list element. Okay, so this statement updates the my max, and in the similar manner it will iterate through the complete list and it will return the maximum element. So this function works pretty fine if the list contain all positive numbers. What if the list contains zeros? Okay, if the list only contains 0, then also it will definitely give 0 only as. Okay, what if the function contains negative elements? Okay, let's see. Let me just erase these things. Suppose if the list is -1, -2, -3, let's just take 3 elements only to make it simpler to learn. Current maximum element in the list is 0. Okay, for I in range of length of L, it means it will be iterating to 0, 1 and 2. L of 0 is greater than my max. It means what is L of -1? -1 is greater than 0. False. So it will go to next element. Is -2 greater than 0? Again false. It will jump to next element. -3 greater than 0. Again false. It will just end and return 0. So here is the function returning false value. In this place it should actually return -1 because this is the maximum element in this list, but it is returning 0. So your submission should be anything between any list which consists of negative integers. I hope you like this video.